So you want to have a thriving YouTube channel with plenty of subscribers. Stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Right now I am offering a free YouTube checklist, so if you want to get your channel started right, or if you want to whip your channel into shape, check the link below. It's free. All you have to do is enter your email, and for a limited time I'm going to offer an extra bonus training mini-series for people who sub. On with your video. Alright guys, welcome to my quick 5-part course on how to start your YouTube channel in 2019. You're going to learn how to pick a topic, make it stick, develop your image on YouTube, how to make videos, how to interact with YouTube people, people who are your viewers and people who aren't your viewers. You're going to learn how to publish regularly and how to develop a publishing schedule so people understand when to tune into your channel for content. And you're going to learn how to build that channel from a couple of videos to 100 videos, maybe 1,000 videos. And in that process, you're going to develop viewers, subscribers, and everything you need to monetize a YouTube channel. As always, if you want to learn more about how to develop a YouTube channel, just go check my channel or check the description below and read through everything. I offer a course that is a lot more in-depth that will teach you specific methods on how to get traffic to your YouTube channel. Anyway, let's get started. So step 1 to developing your YouTube channel in 2019 is to start. I know it sounds simple. You need to start by picking a topic. And in picking that topic, you'll choose your name, you'll choose your brand image, you'll choose everything that basically sets up your channel for success. You fail at this, you fail at YouTube. I don't think a lot of people fail at this step, but they fail eventually. I'll get into that when I get to the actual content creation part of this mini-series. Anyway, so in choosing your topic, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The first thing is you need to choose your focus. So what I mean by that is, do you want to make a gaming channel? Do you want to make a vlogging channel? Do you want to make a travel channel? Do you want to make a channel about traveling to India on a bicycle, for example? And I'll get into what that exactly means. YouTube channels that fail at this step tend to be unfocused. They tend to be about anything and everything. And to that point, it's okay if it's your first YouTube channel to be unfocused. But if you want to build a brand and a business on YouTube, you need to be laser targeted focused. And the reason for that is because it will help you differentiate from the thousands of competitors online. In other words, it will allow you to be successful in the white space where they aren't. Alright, so when you're looking for something to develop a channel about, you need to think, are people making videos about this topic? In other words, is there more than one person making a video about this topic? I know it sounds crazy. So, for example, the making money online niche, very broad topic. You can make money online with YouTube, Facebook ads, clickbait products. There's a whole long ass list of things you can do to make, a little bit of money on YouTube, online, wherever. But the idea is you choose a broad focus, then you narrow it down. Okay? So you want to make money online, you want to show people how to make money online. Okay, how are you going to do that? Well, I want to show people how to make money online on YouTube. Okay, are you going to show them how to make money online making their own videos? Are you going to show them how to make top 10 lists? Okay, you're going to show them how to make top 10 lists about movies, which I would not recommend personally because you'll get claimed. When you're picking your topic, you also want to look and see if people, well, number one, are making videos, but if there are a diverse field of videos, if that makes sense. Are people making the same video over and over again? If you start to research potential competitors, you will see that, for example, how to make money online using YouTube without making videos is a common theme. Can you differentiate yourself from those videos? Do you provide a unique charisma to your videos? Can you provide a unique value? Do you have a spin on the method? What can you do that is different? So once you have figured out your topic, how the spin or the narrower focus, and how you're going to differentiate yourself, you have everything you need to start your YouTube channel. A lot of people, when they're starting, don't have this focus, so they will make a vlog, they will make a rant, they will make a tutorial, they will make a music video. Their channel will be everywhere, so they won't know what they want. Their subscribers won't know what they're about, so they may subscribe, they may not subscribe, you know. So the idea is to get laser focused on what you want to do, what you want to show people, and you keep doing that same thing over and over again until you develop an audience. This is the basis of building your brand on YouTube. Check below for part 2. Check the playlist for part 2, or just keep playing if you have autoplay enabled, if you're one of those weird people. My name is Aaron. Retail to Riches is my channel and my website. Check it out in the description below.